Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I made a video yesterday on an arch top, and somebody emailed me and said, how would you get it at a right angle like a triangle top equally? So this thing is 8 by 24. So let's just draw a box and make it 8. And I got my ratio locked, so it only does one at a time, 24. Then I'm going to go to arrange, convert it to a curve. And I'm going to get the shape tool, and I'm going to select these two nodes and add a node, but it also added a node there, but you can delete it. So then what you do, we know we're 8 inches, so we need to move these down 4. Let's change our nudge distance to 4. Let's select the outer two nodes, select that one, hold down the shift, hold that one, and move it down one click. And that way you have a perfect equal triangle like in the photograph. And there's a lot of ways to do this, but it's pretty much what I did in the video last night, so I really don't need to do that over. I might do it later, but it's the same principle. Just contour line and add to it. So that's how I would do that. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.